channel, Yohan Wonders. Thanks guys for watching and subscribing my channel. Please stay connected and stay safe. Do you know we are doing another science experiment? Do you know what science experiment what we're doing? Let us know in the comments down below. And we're now doing musical jars. Are you ready? Then let's get started. You will need jars. All of the jars except the big one because it's a flat. And we need food coloring. And we need water. Are you ready? Then let's get started. Get 8 empty jars of same sizes to create musical notes. Pour water into each jar and make sure that the water level is different in each jar.
Mama, look at it comes. Look at it comes. Yeah, look at it.
Add coloring to each jar to make it easier to see the different water levels. Use any metal to tap on the jars. Listen carefully so you can hear how the sounds have changed. Tapping on the jars with the metal disturbs the particles of the jar, causing them to vibrate. The vibrations in the jar are transferred to the air surrounding the jar, creating a sound wave. When you add more water to the glass, the pitch is low. When you add less water to the glass, the pitch is high. This is because the low volume of water in the glass allows the glass particle to vibrate more easily. So the vibrations of the glass are faster and have a higher frequency. Jacob will tell us all of the colors. Jacob, what color is this?
Yellow.
What color is this?
Orange.
What color is this?
Purple. Green.
What color is this?
Brown. Green. Orange. Green.
Purple.
Purple. Red. Orange. Yellow. Indigo.
Look at all of our jars. We put different amounts of water and different pitches. Water speed. Let's check all of the waters if they have different pitches. Since it's my papa's birthday, we're gonna play the happy birthday song. This is how it goes.
Ready. What's up here? Wait.
One more time.
Oh, McDonald's had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Oh, McDonald's had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Mama here, mama here, mama here, mama. Oh, McDonald's had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Oh, McDonald's had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Moo moo here, moo here, moo here, moo here, moo. Oh, McDonald's had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Oh, McDonald's had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And quack quack here, quack quack here, quack here, quack here, quack quack here. McDonald's had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Happy birthday to you.
it, guys. Hope you liked our musical jars experiment. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can make more of my amazing and exciting videos. See you in our next science experiment. Bye.
Meanwhile,
Happy birthday, Papa! Happy birthday, Papa! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Papa! I love you. I wanna kiss you.
Happy birthday, Papa.
Happy birthday, Papa! Happy birthday, Papa! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Papa! Jacob, can you touch the jars to make different pictures? Jacob, can you do like this to the pictures? Ah! My turn.
Green.
Jacob, what color is this?
Yellow, orange, red, purple, blue, indigo.
Jacob, what colors are these?
Yellow, orange, yellow.
Jacob, say the right color! What color is this?
Yellow, orange, red, indigo.
Jacob, thank you for watching.